Hey there everyone, today I journeyed into the mountains thinking I'd be home by sundown, but little did I know it turned into a great camping adventure. I hope you enjoy the video. Today I'm going to be going all the way up to that mountain. Check this out. Parked right on the edge of a cliff right now, and the view is amazing. Out there you can see Ogden, Utah. There's Hill Air Force Base. Here's Layton, Utah. Coming out, this island right here, this is Antelope Island. And then over there is Salt Lake City right around this corner. So this is the most populated part of Utah, all in the view right here. And then right up here, those two globes, that marks Francis Peak. I got up here, it's like, wow, this place is pretty neat. I'd love to stay here more than a few hours. So I'm looking at my truck down there and I'm thinking, well, I do have enough survival gear in the truck to have one comfortable night camping. And I'm kind of debating right now whether I should go and return back to my comfortable bed or stay the night up here and sleep in the back of my truck and enjoy this gorgeous view. Well, I've come to the conclusion that it's really windy up here, and based on past experiences, I don't really like camping in the wind, especially with a tent. So I'm going to try and find a campsite that is out of the wind, and we'll go from there. So I've been driving around these mountains pretty much all day now, and I did come across this little Forest Service campsite kind of hidden in the woods. It's not like your traditional campsite. And I found a spot in the site that I really actually do like. There's a lot of nature around here, a lot of nice sounds I can fall asleep to. And there are a few other people around here, but none in my line of sight, which I like because, I can be a little bit remote. But I think I'm gonna set up camp here for the night, set up my tent, and just relax and enjoy the evening and night. Let's get to it. Alright, I've finished making my bed and setting up the fort, so here we are. I'll show you it. As we can see, I have a tarp that's laid down just to keep all the dust and stuff off my sleeping bag and the pads. And that's right, you heard me right. I got not one, but two sleeping pads I just happen to have with me. So I'm gonna be living like a king tonight. And then I got my sleeping bag. And then that's pretty much it. I have one bar of self-service here so I can hang out, watch some Netflix. I do have a good book with me that I can finish reading. So a Forest Service worker just came by and collected his dues, and then he told me that despite it being the middle of the summer, they do allow fires if it's in that fire ring down there. So I don't have any firewood or anything, but it's all around me. So I'm gonna gather some firewood and maybe have a little fire tonight. As we can see here, someone left a bunch of unchopped firewood, so I can chop that up. And if you haven't already noticed, I do come prepared in my truck for an impromptu camping trip or a bug out situation, which means I do have a Pulaski. And a Pulaski has an axe blade on it, which I can use to cut up some of this firewood and some other wood that I find out there. And then just around camp, I noticed someone left this cardboard box here. I can use this to help get my fire started. Well, good morning. It took me a while to fall asleep last night, but once I finally did, I slept like a rock, so definitely not a terrible night of sleep. All right, broke down camp this morning and I'm heading home now. That's gonna do it for this little mountain adventure. Definitely go check out some of the other adventures I've done in the mountains and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great day.